we got going, and we got this air rod kit that we got while we're at small bore.
Picked up a air rod kit from Mangum Elite. Shout out to Steve.
I mean, he seemed like a nice guy to come find you and like actually hold a kit for you, kind of more or less, right?
He ended up swinging by the booth and said, "Hey, you know, I've only got one kit left. If you want it, you know, like, you come get it."
So we got the bike on the lift. We're about to go through everything. Here's all the parts, the kit, the brackets, the rear shock. Got all the quick connect fittings. A little bit of wiring here for your switches, check valve, and all of that. Little compressor here. This is a nice, super nice brand. Top quality, I think, as far as anything, as far as cars and everything.
Absolutely.
Pretty cool little sticker. Back my Grom. But yeah, we're gonna get this thing torn apart and kind of show a little bit how it goes, and hopefully we'll have this thing done with no issues. All right, so we got the plastics off right now. We're gonna mount the compressor somewhere in this area. Get the compressor mounted for now. Got all the quick connect lines. Got it grounded. Got to run this to the power, the battery. Got the cowl panel off the front here. About to put the switch in there. Ray's over here right now. Got the switch installed in the panel there.
It's going down. We got Raymondo here. You see the shirt, Trigamina Motor Squad.
Gang shit, no lame shit.
That's right.
Shit, no
Choppa
lame
Garage.
shit.
Got the beautiful SP right here.
Don't lie to him.
Put your shades on so you won't get blind from them wheels.
Icy.
Icy.
Honda.
Brackets. Here's what we're giving a shot clearance. Okay. So
Waited till 11.
We got the compressor on. There it goes.
This ain't Choppa Garage built. This is Raymond built.
Raymundo Bill.
I was gonna say.
Raymundo Bill.
So truthfully, this is going together a lot faster than what was expected. And so we might have had a little gap. I don't remember what the last thing was that we filmed, but we've got everything, I think, plumbed up, and it has. We just got to kind of put stuff back together, get the battery in.
Yep.
Make sure it functions the way it's supposed to. And
No
then,
leaks, and then put the plastic back on.
Thanks for coming chill with us like that. Choppa, baby.
Be like, big.
Hopefully.
Had that thing twerking.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
What you eat, the Danish son? Here's my breakfast.
It's delicious and nutritious.
Cherry cheese Danish.
Show bike, not a go bike.
Yeah. No, this bike is gorgeous. Ray did a good job, and it's about to be better. He ain't done with it yet.
If you want, buddy.
What?
I'm giving that to Josh, man.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
a fucking
Josh.
cameraman. You don't sit down, bitch.
Oh yeah, cameraman don't sit down. I'm working.
And the rest for the weekend.
And no rest. Look at them gold bolts. Fresh hardware here, peoples.
This is how you go down.
Swap the wires around.
Okay. All right, let's take this jack down and you want that.
All right, we'll stand out.
I think it goes fast, right?
No, I think it goes slow.
That's fast. That's with no weight on it too.
It goes up pretty quick, too.
Yeah. I think the exhaust mount caught the swing arm.
Did it?
Yeah. Scare it out again?
Yeah, we gotta take this bolt, make it
Yeah,
smaller.
we're gonna have to redo the exhaust mount, the air out all the way.
Right there, that's hitting the swing arm. The exhaust mount bracket. We're gonna fix it though.
The compressor's not that loud.
No. Especially with the bike running, you'll
Yeah,
hurry.
you won't even hear it. All right, ready?
So I don't have to go much lower than
Yeah.
that. Let's examine this.
Yep.
So that's gonna be super.
Whoa.
See, it goes further.
Yeah, but if you wait on it, it goes further. That's pretty damn low, son.
That's low as fuck.
Yeah, dude, that's fucking.
What you think, guys? Compressor's not very loud, huh?
Ain't bad at all.
Leave post in the comment section.
You never said that on camera.
Shout out by. Shout out by.
Yeah. I've always wanted to say that. Leave a comment in the comment section. All right, guys, we will be back with y'all. Remember, all buttoned up.
Choppa.